Hey guys, I'm having a little bit of a sick day today, so it's not going to be the prettiest video you've ever seen, but anyway, I just got my Thor RAGNOROK box in from the Marvel Collector Corps. I have my Heimdall up here. I just got him the other day, so let's see. He's looking pretty sweet. Pretty excited about this movie, so I wanted to get this box, and I also know that there's at least a Loki pop in here that I wanted, so I'm gonna get it open, see what's in there. This box is pretty small. It's about half the size of the box that you normally get, I think. It's really tiny, but hopefully that doesn't mean that there isn't good stuff in there. So you can see there goes the card. There's the Gladiator helmets, Hulk and Thor. And then up there is the title of the movie, of course. There's no fold over this time. So we'll start out with what I see on the top of the box. And that is, it's pretty cute. It's a hat with a little Thor Ragnarok. I'm sorry, not Thor, it's Hulk right there, so that's pretty cool. And it's all pretty rubberized, but it's pretty cool, so, and then I think this is just, it's the little tattoo that he has along the side there, so that's pretty neat. That works. Especially for today, that works. Then we do have a pin. They gave us a pin. It's got Gila on it, which is pretty cool. I like the shape. Pretty well done. Then we have some magnets with the mystery minis on them. So you've got Thor, Hulk, Loki, and Gila. Pretty neat. The stuff down the side here. Okay, interesting. It is a Thor Ragnarok fidget spinner. So you got, let's see, you got, what is that? Grandmaster, Loki, Gila, and then on the other side you've got Hulk, Valkyrie, pretty sure that's Valkyrie, and Thor. So I've never actually used one of these before, but I guess now I have one. So hey, cool. Then we have a pack of Thor Ragnarok playing cards, which is pretty cool. So that's the card design, and then looks like you got Joker, which is just a clown. Nothing special about him. And there's nothing really on the face cards, just regular. And then the aces. So I was kind of hoping there would be maybe some pops or something on the face cards, but that's alright. And then we have two pops, which is pretty awesome. I'm surprised they got as much stuff in this box as they did with it being a 2-pop box. So I'm going to pull out Thor first. So it looks like he's holding some kind of shield, I guess? I'm not sure. So he's pretty cool. He's got a bunch of blue accents on his helmet. And he's got a little red stripe down the front of his left eye there. right eye, left eye, left eye. Anyway, he's got a little mace and looks like this pretty cool shield. So neat. Got a lot of nice little details on his armor too. That's pretty cool. And then we have Loki with the helmet. And he's a bit different from his Pop, from the regular collection, in that he does have the helmet, and also he's painted green instead of blue. But it's still basically the same pose. But I don't have a helmeted Loki, so that's pretty cool. And the only other Loki I have is the original one from the RAGNOROK collection. So, pretty nice. I guess I'm gonna hypnotize myself with this for a while as I go on with my sick day. Anyway, I'm not sure when I'm gonna post this, but I hope you're having a good day, good weekend, whatever. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye, guys.